Speedlux welcomes you back to the channel where luxury meets performance. Today we bring you one of the most exclusive open-top masterpieces of the modern era, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, a car that redefines what a luxury roadster should be. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL makes an unforgettable first impression. From the moment you see it, you know this is not a regular SL. The iconic Maybach grille features elegant vertical chrome slats, perfectly matched with a sculpted hood and the signature Maybach emblem. The front bumper looks bold yet refined, with premium chrome accents that add presence without being aggressive. Smooth body lines flow gracefully from front to rear, giving the car a sense of motion even when standing still. Exclusive Maybach paint options with dual-tone finishes elevate its elegance, while large multi-spoke alloy wheels add a strong luxury stance. The soft top roof opens seamlessly, turning this grand tourer into a pure statement of freedom and prestige. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL delivers effortless power blended with ultimate smoothness. A high-performance V8 engine with advanced hybrid assistance produces strong acceleration while remaining whisper quiet. Power delivery is refined, instant, and perfectly controlled, making every drive feel luxurious rather than aggressive. The adaptive air suspension glides over roads, absorbing imperfections and ensuring a calm ride even at high speeds. Multiple drive modes allow you to switch from relaxed cruising to confident sport driving with ease. This is not a car built for racing, it is built for elegant, powerful journeys. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a private luxury lounge. The interior is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, handcrafted with signature Maybach stitching. Polished wood, piano black surfaces, and brushed metal accents surround you with pure sophistication. The digital cockpit is modern and intuitive, featuring a large curved display with exclusive Maybach graphics. The seats are designed for supreme comfort, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and memory settings. Ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, while the premium Burmester sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a first-class experience. Even with the roof down, wind management ensures a calm and comfortable cabin. Safety in the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is as advanced as its luxury. The car is equipped with adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system helps with effortless parking, while night vision assist enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Advanced driver assistance systems work silently in the background to protect both driver and passenger, ensuring confidence and peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a premium. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is expected to start around the ultra-luxury segment, with prices estimated from $250,000 and rising depending on customization options, materials, and bespoke finishes. This is not just a car, it is a personalized statement of success and taste. As we reach the end, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL proves that luxury and open-top driving can coexist perfectly. It offers timeless